Hi! Today, we're going to review or flip through this Earth Woman Tarot by Tarn Elise. Nagkakahalaga siya ng $28.95. Kung i-convert natin to peso, it's 1,737. However, oo, 28.95. Hindi pala siya sale nung nakuha ko. Sa Amazon ko siya binili. So, for $49 and above, it would be free shipping here in the Philippines. Ayun. Start na tayo. Ito siya. Gilid. Gilid. Parehas lang yung ano niya. Parehas lang. Tapos pag inopen mo siya, pag ganun. And then, ito yung book niya. Check muna natin yung mini book niya. Ito lang yung likod. May spread siya. Tapos, wala siyang pictures and wala rin siyang reverse meaning. Yeah. Wala siyang reverse meaning. Kaya siya makapal kasi meron siyang Spanish. Spanish. So, kaya siya makapal. Kasi na tayo sa card. Meron siyang extra card sa likod. Ito naman sa harap. Wala. Ganyan siya sa likod. Kung nagbabasa kayo ng upright and reverse, okay siya kasi hindi siya halata. Ito yung reverse. Ito naman yung upright. Texture, matte. Matte siya. Makapal. Makapal siya. Hindi siya yung gumaganon. So, maganda yung kapal niya. Tama lang. And then yung gilid niya, ganyan lang siya. Sa pag-rub, sakto lang. Sakto lang siya na size ng tarot. Hindi malaki, hindi din maliit. Yung exact size lang talaga siya ng tarot. And, yung texture niya, it's matte. Okay sa akin yung ganitong matte din. Kaysa dun sa sobrang dulas. Minsan kasi ang hirap i-shuffle pag sobrang glossy or satin eh. Ito, okay siya. Ayun. Ang ganda din ng ano. So, start na tayo. I-flip ko, i-ano ko na siya. Lalagay ko siya dito. Para if mabilis, you can pause it. Ang ingay ng dog ko. I'm sorry. The magician. Ang ganda niya. The Empress. The Lovers. The Chariot. Strength. The Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. The Justice. Ang cute. The Hangman. earth na earth talaga. Hmm? Temperance. The Tower. The Star. Aquarius na Aquarius yung star. Oh. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. The World. Ace of Cups. Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Four of Cups. Six of Cups. Eight of Cups. Nine of Cups. Ten of Cups. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. King of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Ang sarap sa kamay ng texture niya. Five of Pentacles. Pentacles. Minsan sunflower siya, minsan coins. Yung pentacles niya. Queen of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Wands. Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. Ten of Wands. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. King of Wands. Ace of Swords. Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. Six of Swords. Seven of Swords. Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords. Ten of Swords. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. Queen and then King of Swords. Lahat siya may border na ganyan na sa gilid. Iba-ibang kulay lang yung mga border niya. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. So nice. Gusto ko din yung gilid niya. Try natin shuffle. Swabe lang siya i-shuffle. Hindi siya mahirap i-shuffle. May mga cards kasi na ang hirap i-shuffle. Okay. Sa price niya, hindi ko kasi siya nakuwang sale. So, sa price niya, i-rate ko siya ng for me 8 out of 10. For 1,737, quality na rin talaga siya. Siguro, yung ano lang, wala kasi siyang reverse meaning. Pero kung tarot reader ka naman na, and you are intuitive tarot reader, we usually don't use book. We use our intuition, diba? So, ayun. Thank you. If you have any tarot, Lenormand, and Oracle that you want me to review, baka available siya dito. Or if not, I'll try my best to find it and para ma-review natin. Just comment it below. Thank you and have a great day. See you in my next video. Bye!